Adding a bidding fee to an auction is a great way to attract serious bidders to your auctions and reduce fraudulent bids. This video tutorial will show how to implement a bidding fee within Auction Pro. A bidding fee is a small, non-refundable fee to be paid before placing a bid. A bidding fee can be added as a one-time payment or on a per bid basis. Let's take a look at how quick and easy it is to add a bidding fee in Auction Pro. Let's go into the Auction Pro app from the Shopify dashboard, and I'll click View Auctions. From here, I'll click on this first auction item. Scrolling down towards the bottom of the auction options section, we see there's an option to enable bidding fee. I'll click Enable Bidding Fee, and we see there's two options, Bidding Fee Mode and Bidding Fee Product. Bidding Fee Mode specifies whether you want customers to pay the bidding fee once or pay per bid. For this example, I'll leave it at pay once. In Bidding Fee Product, we can select a specific product to act as a bidding fee for the auction. Take note, existing auctions can't be used as a bidding fee for the auction that you want to add a bidding fee for. We see here there's two test products, but I don't actually want to use these products as a bidding fee. What I'll do is I'll create a new product to act as a bidding fee for that auction. I'll click Add Product. I'll name this product Bidding Fee and affix the name of the auction towards the end of the title, so I know what the bidding fee is for. I'll leave the description blank. For price, I'll make this $5. I won't track quantity because there's no need to track the inventory for this product. And also disable this is a physical product since a bidding fee isn't a physical product. And I'll click Save. I'll quickly preview this to see how it looks on my store. And it's just a very basic product page, which is good enough for now. Going back into the app, I will search for that product. And it looks like the product hasn't actually fully saved into Shopify's system. Sometimes this may take a few seconds or a minute. Let's click on it again. And we see the product is now showing. I'll select this and click Confirm. Now I'll save the auction with this bidding fee. Now that the auction's been saved, I'll click View to see what the auction looks like on my store with this bidding fee. And we get a 404 page not found. This is because the auction information hasn't fully persisted to Shopify's systems. I'll just wait a short moment. I'll reload the page to see if everything works, and everything does work. Now, clicking on the bid button, we see there's a bidding fee modal prompting us to pay a bidding fee before placing a bid. Clicking on the automatic bid button does the same thing as well. Let's click this bid button and pay for this bidding fee. I'll click Buy Now. And from here, I'll just enter in some example or bogus test card information. And it looks like I've successfully made a payment for the bidding fee. Let's go back to the auction and let's see what happens now when we try to place a bid. So now when we try to place a bid, it says bid input cannot be empty. And when clicking the automatic bid button, it says we can place a bid now. So let's do a quick bid for $16. Everything looks good. Now let's click bid again to see what happens. And we're not prompted for a bidding fee. Let's click the automatic bid button, and we can also bid again. Remember, this auction has a bidding fee mode of pay once, which is why we only have to pay the bidding fee once. If the bidding fee mode was on a per bid basis, then every bid would require a bidding fee to be paid for before placing a bid. And that's a quick and short summary of how to add a bidding fee to your auctions.